Hello, my name is Haitham Amin. I go by Sam. I'm the principal attorney here at Amin Law in San Francisco, California. Today we'll talk about the Supreme Court draft opinion overturning abortion rights. The Supreme Court has voted to strike down the landmark Roe v. Wade decision according to an initial draft majority opinion written by Justice Samuel Alito, circulated inside the court and first obtained by Politico. It is important to note, no draft decision in modern history of the court has been ever disclosed publicly while a case was still pending. Generally, these cases are decided around the summertime. Now, the document labeled as a first draft of the majority opinion includes a notation that it was circulated among the justices on February 10th. If the Alito draft is adopted, it would rule in favor of the Mississippi in the closely watched case over the state's attempt to ban most abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy. Justice Alito writes in an initial majority draft, quote, "We hold that Roe and Casey must be overruled. The Constitution makes no reference to abortion, and no such right is implicitly protected by any constitutional provision." The draft opinion is a full-throated and flinching repudiation of the 73 decision, which guaranteed federal constitutional protections of abortion rights, and a subsequent 1992 decision, Planned Parenthood v. Casey, that largely maintained abortion rights. The immediate impact of the ruling would be to end a half-a-century guarantee of federal constitutional protection of abortion rights and allow each state to decide whether to restrict or ban altogether abortion. In the 98-page opinion, Justice Alito also alludes to the growing need for adoption amongst women in the United States. He writes, quote, "Safe haven laws, which generally allow women to drop off babies anonymously, and that a woman who puts her newborn up for adoption today has little reason to fear that the baby will not find a suitable one." I guess he's saying abortions or abortion rights should not be allowed because we have people in the United States that want to adopt newborn babies. A person familiar with the court's deliberation said that 4 of the other Republican-appointed justices, namely Clarence Thomas, Neil Gorsuch, Brett Kavanaugh, and Amy Coney Barrett, had voted with Alito in a conference held among the justices after hearing oral arguments in December, and that the line-up remains unchanged as of this week. Now, let me get this straight. The Supreme Court majority overturned the abortion rights by relying on the concept that the Constitution makes no explicit reference to abortion, and no such right is implicitly protected by any constitutional provision. So, does that mean the Supreme Court will rely on the same rationale to overturn gay marriage? What other rights are the courts going to take away? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, I'd greatly appreciate it if you can share it. Of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.